Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And you know when I get something or I buy something, I do a review on it. Well, this is a Christmas present from my wife, and I mentioned, hey, I got heated gloves last year. Maybe I'd like to get a heated vest. Well, she bought me one. It's a 5-volt rechargeable heated, called Action Heat. She actually got this on. Where'd she get this? Through Finger Hut. So, this is what we got. This is where the heat plates are. And it's going to go down in your pocket. Let's see, what's 3? Ultra power design. Looks like you can charge your phone with it. Number 4. Heat up and charge up. While powering your heated vest, use the power bank and a USB port to charge your device. High quality soft shell. Let's see, ultra slim power bank design. Touch button control with brand new sleep function. Double located at the chest, provides easy access to 3 heat settings. Press the side control button to utilize the unique sleep function. Turn off LED light. Alright, so what else goes on with this thing? Onboard control button. Press onboard temperature control with just 1 to 3 times to set your desired heat setting. New sleep setting function control button allows you to turn off the LED light while maintaining your current heat setting. High 150 degrees for 2 hours, 130, and low 110. Weather resistant, heating system lamps, advanced heating, and cozy line straps. Now I'm thinking, I wonder if I can wear this under in my dry suit. That was something I was thinking about too. Okay, power bank features: high capacity portable USB power board, pack. 7 volts. I know there was another one for like 7 volts. Or your tablet at the same time. Compatible all action. 5-volt heated outerwear products. There's also a standard 2-amp power bank that can personal devices. Again, LED indicator. It's on the front of power bank. And long standby time allows you to keep power bank handy for emergencies. Power bank details. All right. Alright, so find out more. And looks like this particular unit was $179. Okay, we'll see. See what we got. What else is on this thing? Alright. Water resistant, power zone heats, powered by heats up to 150 degrees, lasts up to 4 hours, onboard temperature control, 3 heat level settings, and machine washable. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so here's our 5-volt power bank. Let's see this Plugs in that and sits. Comes with a USB charging port, and then here's the actual unit. It's pretty slim. Make sure you think carefully before you do. Let's learn and visit more. I'm assuming you gotta charge it first. Alright, here's stuff for this thing. Power button, power life, USB cable, and an extra port, USB, ultra slim, just charge your phone, portable banks, and actionheat.com. Yep, it's got 2 USB plugs and a center, which is your charger. You see how small it is. Fits right in my freaking hand. Unfortunately, it's got the old USB charge port. It's not the Android plug. I don't know how many of these I have now. Okay. It says you're going to charge this thing at least, it says about 6 hours. Let me just read it. Charge for approximately 6 hours until the LED lights on the front of the power bank are solid blue. LED lights will blink blue when charging and will become solid when fully charged. I don't see anything going on. I got my computer charged, plugged in. I don't see anything charged. I don't see him kicking in. 6 hours fully charged. Holy cow. Okay, let's see. Will become blue when they're fully charged. Alright. Alright, for some reason I charge off the computer. I had to plug it in straight in. Maybe my cord is bad. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, here's your connector. It goes in your left pocket. It's going to go inside this side right here. And then here's your button. 2, 3. And that's going to control your settings. 3. And then I guess this outside puts it in standby. So straight down 1. And that's a standby button. So you got 3 settings by pushing this. 1, 2, 3, and then you've got a standby. That's what I'm understanding. Okay, here we go. There's your button. Simply press on board temperature control 3 times, 1 to 3, to select your desired heat setting, and then a sleep button, which is on the outside. Alright, it's been about 6 hours, and Action Heat fully charged. We'll go try it and see how it works. So the end is a USB. Okay, goes in there. It goes in rather tight though. Stay tuned. Alright, not a bad fabric inside. Got an inside pocket on this side. Nothing on. Adjuster down here. Collar down. Bring it up around. Not right up underneath you, so if you're going to wear a ski mask or something, you got to put it on the outside. Okay, let's see what it talking about here? Let's see. There it is. That's probably as high as it'll go. Wow, that one's right up. Okay, blue. Picked on it. Blue. Hold it down, turns it off. Okay, so I'll hold down a couple seconds. Now we're warm. Got hay in my eye. Yeah, I can feel it warming up. Next one down is blue. A little cooler. And then, see what this one does. The outside. Alright. Standby. Standby. Hit again. Alright, whatever you left it at is where it's going to be. Put that on, and now it's in standby. Now keep in mind I'm 5'7", about 165 pounds. This medium's pretty tight on me. I push it up against me, I can feel the heat. If you're bigger than me, you definitely, I would recommend a larger and extra large in this. Okay, so it says don't use your red high, which is the red, for more than 5 minutes at a time. Heated product may become too hot and result in serious burns. So it says on the other one, because you have recommend power setting 50 is sufficient for temperatures of 50 degrees, while lower temperature settings is 75 to 100 sufficient. So what you're going to see, first one, okay, back to red. I feel like kicking my back right now. So that's 100% red. No more than 5 minutes at a time. Next one, it's set probably 75. And then low setting is your next one. And then it'll go back to red again. So you have 3, 1, 2, and 3. That's low. And then when you push that button now, it's gonna go into a neutral. And then they recommend that you keep the battery, don't let the battery get any lower than 25%, which would be your first one here. Also, when you're going to store it, disconnect the battery pack, because it will still drain power off of it if you don't. So once power is activated, press the front of the control button 1 to 3 times to select your desired settings, and to turn it off, hold the button 3 to 5 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds, or until the LED light button is red. Alright, here's your settings. Choose the heating setting you want. 1 to 3 times. You got your red, and white's going to be white, medium, and then blue is low. And then if you put the LED light on, sleep mode, and wish to check which heat level settings you are on, click the sleep mode button again. If you wish to change your heat settings, press the front of the temperature control button 3 times. There's your sleep mode. Alright. We're in hot. Now we're in white, which we're in standby. Push it again. And then that's considered white and not blue. Yeah, if I'm looking at it, you're kind of getting a blue tint out of it, but it's actually white. You hit it again, and now it's blue. So you hit it again, and that puts it in standby. Hit it again, and it'll bring you back to blue, which is your blue is cold. So blue is your coldest mode, and then hold it, and then it'll go out. So that's your white. And when we first start it, we're in red. Next one actually is going to be white, which is your middle mode. And you hit it again in blue, and that's your coolest mode. Care instructions: disconnect, remove the power bank of the garment. Full washing. Place all wires in pockets, fasten zippers, and close all pockets. Wash separately from other clothing. Mild liquid. Machine wash channel cycle. Out and hang dry. Just got to remove power bank from the heated accessory when not in use. Before cleaning, place all wires in pockets, fasten all zippers. Spot clean only, no starch, no machine wash, and hang flat surface. So there we go. Understanding the sleep mode. To activate sleep mode feature, click the small button on the side of the temperature control button. If you have put LED light on, sleep mode, LED on, sleep mode, and wish to check which heat level setting you are on, click the sleep mode again. If you wish to change your heat mode, press the front of the temperature control 1 to 3 times. Alright, and if you want to charge your devices, you just do it like you would normally do it. But again, make sure your battery doesn't get below 25%. Which is 1 dot. And the onboard control button. Hit your sleep button. This is what they're telling you. For temperature settings, high, 150 degrees for 2 hours. Medium 130 for 3 hours. And there's your low setting, 110 degrees for 4.5 hours. Okay. And the power bank is a 2 amp power bank. Go over features, 3 zones, and that's, you have 2 in your chest and 1 on your back. And that's how you store your things in the back, in your pocket. Alright, if you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Definitely share. This is the unboxing and use of the Action Heat 5-volt rechargeable heated vest.